Hi dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session we will learn chapter 2 of FA, that is Financial Accounting, and the chapter name is Conversion of Single Entry System into Double Entry System. So first we will learn what is single entry system, then double entry system, then we'll know all the formats and we'll have two sums on each topic. So let's begin with it. So first, let's go to single entry system. Now what a single entry system means? This system of accounting is existing at small and medium scale industries. It also called as unscientific, unsystematic, curd method of bookkeeping. It is defined a method of accounting which doesn't follow the principle of double entry system. It considers only one aspect of transaction, either debit or credit, and other aspects either debit or credit is ignored. The system maintains only personal accounts and impersonal accounts are excluded. So guys, this is an informal way of accounting system. Here accounting principles are not followed, and in this the accounting principles are followed clearly. Double entry system. So single entry systems ulta is known as double entry system. Here they will maintain all systematic, syntactic, method, data, all are recorded in chronological order and kept in books of accounts. Next, we'll go to all the formats. We'll learn every format of each subject. So let's move. Before going to format, let's know the differences between single entry system and double entry system. So this is all. So guys, just take a screenshot and know about these things. Yes. Now we can take. Let's know how the conversion method is done. Okay, so this is the conversion method is done from single entry to double entry. See, preparing of account statements of finding out missing information. By preparing this all accounts, you're finding out the missing statement, and these two are the final, like a final financial statement, preparation of financial statement. These are the last. So guys, you have to prepare these all ledgers and then this ledgers, then you are getting 14 marks. Guys, be careful while this all things. This is too easy. There is no tricky way and all, but here we have to take everything in consideration. Okay, so if you need a screenshot, then please take down. So guys, this is the format of cash book. Just have a clear pic of it. Yes. So this is a format of cash book or bank book. Let's move to another, that is bills receivable account. We have bills receivable account. Okay. So this is how bills receivable is prepared. Just have a look. While going to exam, you have to look this all formats and go. Don't go like a blink, people. Okay, so this is total debtors account. Here also a clear look. See what all comes in this. You have to see. Then if you go to solve the sum, it will be quicker and easier way. Yes, now let's move to bills payable account. If you want, you can take screenshot also. And if you learn this formats clearly, then it's more than enough. Okay, let's move to creditors. Yes, total creditors account. If you need some informations of total creditors account, here it is available. Yes. And how the total debtors all comes in this and all. Okay, Next we'll move to the opening statement of affairs. The opening statement of affair means here just we are writing down assets and liabilities other sides, and we are taking opening capital. Here we'll found opening capital of it. So here see, balance figure is opening capital. Okay, current assets and current liabilities are done, and fixed assets also have been brought down here, and a total all is known as opening capital, which is here you can see. Next we will be going to fixed asset account, and why this fixed asset is created, that also will know. See, this depreciation, additional purchase, when this all will come in your question, then you are able to prepare this fixed asset account. It's too easy. Balance brought down is in that question only. Okay, BD and carried down, which will be followed down. Okay, and next we have preparation of a final financial statement, that is memorandum and trading account, profit and loss account. So here we have our account. This is very main part of our this syllabus. See guys, here opening stock, opening purchase, less will what the purchase have been written will minus here, and sales also which are being came back all will be here. Then last we'll put closing stock. See, this carriage inward, wages and manufacture expenses all will come here. Okay, and gross profit will come here, carried down, and here brought down. And then you will be having some like adjustment in questions, that all adjustment will be coming here. See guys, here it will be coming, so be clear enough. Okay, indirect expenses like provision on doubtful debts and interest on capital, depreciation, all will be coming here. Okay, after gross profit here, and then we'll do indirect incomes and all what we have gained, that all will come here, and next all here only. Okay, so by this we'll find out the profit and loss account. Then last, balance sheet. I think everyone knows how to prepare a balance sheet. Okay, there is no problem to anyone else, because balance sheet is the easiest way. Here all you will take less your drawings, net loss. Okay, this net profit and all will be plus additional capital, and interest on capital will be plus. Okay, added. Here you can see all. Here what you will do, you will take the 2013 and 14 are there. Okay, two amounts they have given, so 2014 you will take, you will not take 2013. So this was the all format we have covered. Now I think we should go to sums. Okay, let's move. We are again here in this sheet, and we have completed this 3. Now we are doing problems. So here we have a small formula to find closing stock, opening stock and purchase, that is cost of goods sold equal to opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. This formula is very important thing to find out your closing stock, opening stock and purchase as well as. So calculation of total sales, this is next sum we are doing. Live down. Okay, now let's move to the sum. Okay, let's have some clarity. Yes, from the following information, calculate total sales. Here we have to calculate total sales. How will calculate? Let's see. Here we have particular rupees. Opening balance of debtors is 30,800. Bills receivable in beginning. Okay, so 7,800. Bills receivable in cash during the year is 20,900. Cash received from debtors is 70,000. Bad debts written off is 2,800. Written inwards is 8,700. Bills receivable dishonored 1,800. Bills receivable at the end of the year, that is 6,000. Debtors at the end of the year, that is 2,500. And cash sales as per cash book, that is 40,900. So this is our question, first question. Like you can note down and you can solve this. And now we are going to solve this question also. Okay, so here we have to find total sales. So let's begin. Yes guys, let's come to the point. Now here we are preparing bills receivable account. That see, first guys, you have to be clear enough that use a proper columns and all, then only you will fetch good marks. Like have a debtor, have a creditor, bills receivable account, particular rupees and all. You should be having this all. Okay, now let's quickly go. Okay, note down our sum. How we are doing is, so bills receivable in the beginning, bills receivable in cash during the year. So receivable in the beginning, this we are taking here, opening balance. So we'll write down what? To opening balance. Okay, here we have opening balance of 7,800, which is here. Okay, let me write first down, then I will explain you, because it is to this. Okay, so guys, I have finished your BR account. Now I will show you to opening balance 7,800. That from where it came, see here, bills receivable in the beginning 7,800 pakka, so it will come here. Then we have all entries here. By cash and bank, that is 20,900. It came from here, like BR receivable in cash during the year. So cashed, the cash name only came, so 20,900 we have transferred here. Next we have by total debtors, because BR is dishonored. See in this question, bills receivable dishonored, which was 1,800, we have taken here 1,800. So I have given a reason in bracket also. You have to also give by closing balance, which was here, bills receivable at the end of the year, which is 60,000, and I have note down here. Then the total of this three will be 28,700. Now to opening balance, this and this is minus, so we'll get 20,900, and that is our balancing figure. Total debtors account. This balancing figure will be going on total debtors account. So let me create total debtors account, and then I will explain you in better manner. Let's move. So guys, we have finished a total debtors account. Now we'll see how we have done. To opening balance, here we have opening balance of debtors, that is 30,800. And next to BR account. This BR account, from where it came, see here, total debtors, bills dishonored. So we have written total debtors. This amount has been transferred here. Next we have by cash and bank, that is cash received from debtors, that is 70,000. Okay, and by bad debts, same here only. By bad debts written off, that is 2,800, and we have written inwards. Inwards means the sales which were done that have been returned, 8,700, and this we have note down. Yes, bills dishonored and bills receivable or done. At the end of the year, 25,500 is closing balance, and this where we will use, I will show you now. Okay, so guys, all we have written down here, this why this bills receivable again came here, because see here, to total debtors account. Okay, to total debtors account, so this debtors, this account will come here. Okay, so the same amount, see, yes, and we'll total it up and minus from this both. The answer is 95,300, which is known as credit sales and balancing figure also. Now we'll go and find out the total sales, which is a mystery. Let's move. So guys, I had first only said you that something is here, this one. Yes, calculation of total sales. How we'll calculate total sales is by a formula: total sales equal to credit sales plus cash sales. See, to find out total sales, we have to need credit sales and cash sales. So cash sales we got from here. Cash sales as per the cash book is 40,900, which we have written here, 40,900. And here credit sales we have found out now only here, 95,300, which is here. And we have found out this as 1,36,200 as total sales. So this was a basic sum to get to all it's very easy sums. There is no hard and all. And guys, I'm not creating total creditors account, because all the things which have came here, it will go this side, and this all will come this side. So our opening balance will be here and closing balance will be here of total creditors, not total debtors, total creditors. And BP also, all will be interchanging. It's very easy. It's not too tricky sum. It's too easy. Now let's move to a bigger sum. Okay, so let's move. Guys, we are having a so much big sum. We have to solve this. Yes, let's do it. Mr. Santosh keeps his books by single entry system. So the single entry system we have to convert into double entry system. From the following data, prepare trading and profit and loss account 2014. So ending year is 2014. Now we have here cash book also, particulars rupees, interest charge is 200, personal withdrawal is 4,000, staff salaries is 70,000, business expenses is 15,800, payment to creditor is 30,000, balance at the bank is 4,850, cash on hand at last year at the end of the year, that is 150, receipts from debtors is 50,000, and cash sales is 30,000. Further details available are stock, creditors, debtors, furniture, premises. 13, 14, starting here, ending here. Okay, then we have some provisions also. Provide 5% interest on capital, provide 1,500 for WDB, and 5% interest on depreciation on all fixed assets. So let's do quickly this sum. Yes. So guys, here I have finished 3 accounts, that is total debtors, total creditors, and cash bank account. So here how did I did this, I am explaining, so be clear enough. Okay, so guys, opening balance I have taken from here. Okay, so this is opening balance, this is closing balance of debtors and creditors. Okay, good. Next, so opening and closing we have found. Here how we'll find out bank and cash account, that is the payment. Yes, payment to creditors and receipts from this. So this too is cash account. So here it will come. Okay, and the balance figure will be 66. Okay, so here total creditors, I said you that it will be reverse. See guys, opening balance have come here and closing balance here, bank account here, and here we'll get credit purchase, which is balancing figure. Okay, and here we'll get credit sales, which is balancing figure. Next we'll go to bank account. In bank account we have, in question only, we have cash book analysis. So all will come here in this cash bank. Okay, so here interest came, personal, staff, business expenses. Total creditors, how it came means, see here, total creditors account 2, cash and bank 30, so it will be transferred to buy 30. Okay, and here we don't have opening balance. See guys, look down here, we don't have opening balance. We have closing balance 14. It is closing balance. So I have left like khali, okay, empty. Then to cash sales means here only this cash sales will come here, okay, only cash sales. And total debtors, yes, from here to here, that's it. And this is a lower amount, this is high amount, so 80,000 is bigger amount here, so bank overdraft will come. If this amount was if this 80,000 was less, then here the opening balance was getting for us, but there is less amount, okay, in this column, so we have got here bank overdraft. Guys, see, this is main here. If you are not getting the balancing amount here, then it is bank overdraft, and they have given both opening and closing, then here also it will come bank overdraft only, okay. So this is how we are learning here, okay. Next I will show you. See, I prepared first only opening statements, enter in the books of Mr. Santosh, trading and profit and loss for the year ending 31st March 2014, and balance sheet also. So I'm doing this, okay, and I will explain you also. Let's do. So I finished it. So credit here, what we are doing in opening statement of 2013 means, see, in this question we have saw, okay, stock this 2013, so this all amount will be taken there. See, creditors is liability, others all are assets, so creditors and all are here. And how this bank overdraft came means, see here on the cash only, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is an expense which is made to a business, 8,000, and this opening capital is the balancing figure of this 70,000 is opening capital. Now let's move to the memorandum and trading account of profit and loss, okay. So here opening stock as well from question, and closing stock from question only. Buy sales, credit sales from debtors, total debtors account, yes, and this cash from question. See here at last they have given cash sales 30,000, which we have taken here. The total is 96,000. Closing stock also we have taken here. Purchase, if purchase is given total purchase in question, then we will be adding, there is no. And if there is like written in words, written out words, then this all this purchase will be minus or plus, and the balancing figure is known as here gross profit, which is carried down, and here it's brought down. This is the total, 1,16,440 is the total of this, and this is the answer. And here the cash analysis book, see, this cash analysis enters personal withdrawal will not come, because profit and loss means he had taken for himself, so it is not an expense. So in profit and loss that is not included, that drawings. So interest charge, staff salaries, business expenses, to interest on capital. From where this all came, it came from this three, like provide 5% interest on capital, provide 1,500 for PBD, 5% depreciation of all fixed assets. So I have done here to interest, here interest is calculated, and PBD is done, and depreciation is also done, and our profit is 33,840 is our profit, and the total balance was 73,440. So the answer is 33,840. Now let's quickly prepare balance sheet. Okay, so we have completed the final stage of this book, and here creditors, here you will take closing balance. In opening statement you are taking opening balance, so here you will take closing balance because it is 2014. Okay guys, see clearly, okay. So creditors, capital, opening capital we got from this opening statement of affairs, plus interest which we have done in profit and loss, and we have got profit also, that also will be adding, and minus drawings. Drawings was a question we have not taken here, so we have taken here. It is minus C, plus plus minus. This is the answer, and this is the total value here, 1,14,340. And here also fixed assets, furniture, depreciation, premises, depreciation, stock, same, closing balance, cash bank. Why this came? Because in question only we have mentioned 14. Okay, so this both are taken here. Cash bank. Debtors also we have provision of 1,500. So this, and this is our answer. So guys, we have done today a good sum. Okay, and you have to be practicing this all sums, then only you will be able to do the sums. This is very pretty easy sums. Yes, there is no any difficult. Yes, if you practice you can. If you don't practice, then you can't. So be practicing and have power on yourself. Now I think all the college have gave you holidays to study. So please study. Don't roam here and then. Don't go to birthday parties and all. Okay. So my request is to study, because this is time to study. If you don't study now, then you are a fool. So please like, share, comment our channel, which is Top Education. Thank you.